Hi everyone, today we will discuss the effects of the leather industries on our rivers, especially Ganga.
The River Ganga, also known as the Ganges, is one of the most significant and sacred rivers in India. It is a transboundary river that flows through India and Bangladesh, originating from the Gangotri glacier in the state of Uttarakhand, in the northern part of India. The river is about 2,525 kilometers, 1,569 miles, long, making it one of the longest rivers in the world. To the Indian people, the River Ganga holds immense cultural, religious, and spiritual significance. It is considered a goddess and is often referred to as Ganga Mata, or Mother Ganges. The river is personified as a divine entity, and its waters are believed to have the power to purify and cleanse both spiritually and physically. The leather industry can have both positive and negative effects on the Ganga River and its ecosystem. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Pollution. One of the main concerns is the pollution caused by the leather industry. 1. The production process involves using various chemicals, including chromium salts, which are toxic and can contaminate water bodies. 1. If not treated properly, these chemicals can be discharged into the Ganga River, leading to water pollution. 2. Water consumption. The leather industry is a water-intensive industry. 2. Large amounts of water are required for processes such as soaking, washing, dyeing, and finishing of leather. 2. The extraction of water from rivers like the Ganga for industrial use can contribute to water scarcity and affect the river's flow, particularly during dry seasons. 3. Wastewater discharge. The wastewater generated by leather tanneries contains high levels of pollutants, including organic matter, chemicals, and heavy metals. 3. If untreated or improperly treated, this wastewater can be released into the Ganga River, leading to water pollution and harming aquatic life. 4. Solid waste disposal. The leather industry also produces solid waste, such as sludge, trimmings, and other byproducts. 4. Improper disposal of these wastes can lead to land pollution, and if they enter the river system, they can contribute to water pollution as well. 5. Impact on biodiversity. Pollution from the leather industry can have adverse effects on the biodiversity of the Ganga River. 5. Aquatic organisms, including fish and other species, may suffer from the toxic effects of pollutants discharged into the water. 5. The overall ecological balance of the river can be disrupted, impacting both flora and fauna. Efforts have been made to regulate and mitigate the environmental impact of the leather industry on the Ganga River. For instance, stringent regulations and wastewater treatment guidelines have been imposed to minimize pollution. However, the effectiveness of these measures depends on proper implementation and enforcement. It's worth noting that the impact of the leather industry on the Ganga River is not unique to this particular river. Similar issues can arise in other regions where the leather industry operates and discharges its effluents into water bodies.